3 hours from Dallas, tucked away in the pines of Oklahoma, sits one of the hottest cabin markets in the whole country.
And today we're touring a property that blends rustic charm, modern luxury, and investment potential all in one. This is 135 Stone Pine Lane in Broken Bow, Oklahoma. Our latest listing in this highly sought after and tourist-friendly town. Let's check it out. Step inside and wow, this is what you want in a cabin. Vaulted ceilings, massive windows bringing the outdoors in, and this stone fireplace anchoring the whole room. The entire space is open, so whether you're hosting family, friends, or short-term rental guests, it feels inviting and social.
The kitchen continues that balance of rustic and modern. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry, and this big island that doubles as a breakfast bar. It's stylish, it's functional, and it flows directly into this dining space, so everyone's part of the action. Now let's head into the bedrooms. The primary suite is a showstopper with that cozy natural cabin feel. The ensuite feels more like a spa than a cabin, with a large walk-in shower and boutique finishes. The secondary bedrooms are spacious too, designed to comfortably handle king-size beds. This is perfect for family, guests, or short-term renters who expect plenty of space.
If you're looking for extra flexibility, the loft adds a second living area, game room, bunk room, office, whatever fits your lifestyle.
And that versatility is a big plus in this market. Now let's talk about the main event, the outdoor living. After all, we are in Broken Bow, Oklahoma.
This deck is huge. I said deck. With vaulted ceilings, a stoned gas fireplace, space for dining, lounging, or just relaxing in the hot tub.
And down here, the fire pit area, this is where memories are made. You've got s'mores, late night stories under a sky full of stars. This is why people come to Broken Bow. Just don't catch the cabin on fire.
Here's the kicker. 135 Stone Pine Lane isn't just a cabin, it's an investment. Broken Bow is one of the top performing short-term rental markets in the entire South. Cabins like this stay booked out months in advance. Whether you're looking for a weekend retreat, a family escape, or a high-return Airbnb, this property checks every box.
Now guys, listen to Tara for her investment advice. We'll go ahead and finish back up here with the final details later. For now, let's go and get a better feel for Broken Bow overall and what it's like spending your time here.
Broken Bow, Oklahoma is one of those towns that if you just looked at a map, you might think that it is small and out of the way. Nestled in the southeastern corner of the state, Broken Bow has a population of just under 5,000 people.
But here's the catch. This little mountain town has quickly become one of the most popular destinations in all over the region. Let's paint the picture.
Broken Bow is located in McCurtain County, right where the Washita Mountains roll into the Kiamichi foothills. If you're driving from Dallas, it's about 3 hours northeast. Coming from Oklahoma City, you're looking at closer to about 4 hours.
Little Rock, Arkansas, about 3.5 hours. That positioning right at the crossroads of Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas is a huge reason why Broken Bow has become such a big draw. Now, even though the town itself feels small, don't let that fool you.
Broken Bow and the surrounding Hochatown area attract over 2 million visitors per year. That's wild when you think about it, especially with it being a town of under 5,000 people.
It's like the entire town transforms into a bustling hub of activity, kind of like you see behind me. But what's driving that growth? The answer is simple: natural beauty and recreation.
Between Broken Bow Lake, Beavers Bend State Park, and the Mountain Fork River, this area has become the outdoor playground for North Texans.
Folks pile in for fishing, hiking, kayaking, and just unplugging in a cabin in the woods.
But here's something that's really interesting.
While Broken Bow has always had a rich history, from its Choctaw heritage to its early days in the lumber industry, it's the recent boom in tourism and short-term rentals that has transformed the local economy. The area has seen explosive growth in luxury cabins, restaurants, breweries, and boutique shops, especially in Hochatown.
For comparison, Broken Bow has kind of become for Dallas what Fredericksburg is for Austin and San Antonio, a weekend escape.
Except instead of wine country, you've got towering pines, a massive lake, and some of the clearest rivers in the region.
And another perk of its location is its accessibility to larger cities and events.
You're close enough to Dallas that people can slip away after work on a Friday and be sitting by a campfire in Broken Bow by dinner time. That convenience has made it not just a tourist hotspot, but also one of the fastest growing areas for vacation rental investments in the entire South.
So yes, while it might seem like a small dot on the map, Broken Bow punches way above its weight in terms of location, economy, and the demand. Now let's go check out the local things to do.
If you ask people why they keep coming back to Broken Bow, 9 times out of 10, you're gonna hear the word nature.
Now, this isn't the kind of place where you'll find skyscrapers, massive shopping malls, or professional sports teams. Instead, it's all about slowing down, connecting with nature, and creating experiences that feel a little bit more authentic.
And honestly, that's what makes Broken Bow such a draw. But come Friday afternoon,
The whole place shifts gears. Cabins start filling up, traffic on Highway 259 picks up, and suddenly this quiet mountain town transforms into a lively weekend retreat. Some people love that energy, and some people prefer the weekdays, but either way, it's a lifestyle that blends small town living with big time adventure.
now let's go and break down the top things to do here.
Starting with Beavers Bend State Park, this is the crown jewel, and Beavers Bend is over 1,300 acres of pure outdoor fun, with the Mountain Fork River winding right through it. Hiking trails range from easy walks to more challenging treks with elevation and mountain views. In the fall, it's absolutely breathtaking. Bright red maples, golden hickories, and pine-covered ridges.
If you've never seen Oklahoma during autumn, it will surprise you.
Beyond hiking, Beavers Bend has some of the best trout fishing in the region. Anglers come here year-round thanks to the river's cold water released from the Broken Bow Lake. Fly fishing is huge here, and even if you're not an angler, it's worth it just to walk around the river and see people out there in their waders casting flies.
And then next up is Broken Bow Lake, 14,000 acres of clear, sparkling water surrounded by the Ouachita National Forest.
And let me tell you, this isn't your average lake.
The water here is so clear, people compare it to lakes in the Ozarks. You'll see boats cruising, families tubing, paddle boarders gliding, and quiet coves where you can anchor down for the day. And then of course the bass fishing here is legendary as well. Many locals own boats, and summers are basically spent between the water, cookouts, and evenings around the fire pit.
If Broken Bow is a quiet area, Hochatown is where the action is.
Technically unincorporated, this stretch just north of Broken Bow is where you'll find most restaurants, breweries, wineries, and attractions.
It's grown so much over the last 10 years, it almost feels like a town of its own.
Here's where you'll find one of my favorites, Beavers Bend Brewery, serving up craft beers right in Hochatown. Or Grateful Head Pizza, which has become kind of iconic for its funky vibe and live music. This is one of our family's favorite places to go to every time we visit.
If you want something a little more upscale, Bendigo's Grill and Patio is a spot for a nice dinner and cocktails.
And for real, families like us love Hochatown too. And if you're into quirky roadside attractions like getting some photos taken off the side of the highway, you'll find Sasquatch statues all over town.
This might surprise you, but Broken Bow has built quite the wine and spirits scene.
Girls Gone Wine is probably the most famous. It's fun, quirky, and always packed on the weekends. Then you've got Fishtails Winery, which is perfect for relaxing with a glass after a day at the lake, and Hochatown's Distilling Company, where you can sip on small batch whiskey and tour the facility.
The Mountain Fork River just a couple minutes away from us is another major highlight here.
This is some of the best canoeing and kayaking in Oklahoma. The river has small rapids, waterfalls, and incredible scenery. Plus, the water stays cold year-round, so it's perfect on those hot summer days. Some locals say floating the Mountain Fork River is their favorite way to spend a Saturday. If history is more your thing, then the Gardner Mansion and Museum, known as the Castle in the Woods, is worth a visit. This was once the home of Choctaw Chief Jefferson Gardner, and today it houses a collection of Native American artifacts and local history.
It's one of those places that helps you understand the deep roots of the area.
If you want to explore beyond the main trails,
You'll find plenty of outfitters offering horseback rides through the Ouachita Forest. There are also ATV rentals and off-road trails, which is perfect if you're looking for a little more adrenaline.
and one of the best things to do in Broken Bow is nothing.
Staying in a cabin here is part of the experience. Most cabins have hot tubs, fire pits, big porches, and game rooms, so you can spend a day hiking, come back, grill outside, then sit under the stars. If you live here, that slower pace becomes your daily rhythm. That's the thing about the Broken Bow lifestyle. It's not flashy, but it's rich.
Rich in natural beauty, experiences, and community.
Whether you're sipping craft beer at Beavers Bend Brewery, watching your kids roast marshmallows, or just sitting on a porch listening to the wind in the pines,
This is the kind of lifestyle that people are chasing when they come here. So there it is, 135 Stone Pine Lane in Broken Bow, Oklahoma. Rustic design, modern finishes, incredible outdoor living, and income potential in one of the fastest growing markets in the country. If you want to schedule a private showing or see the numbers behind this property, reach out to me directly. All of our contact info is in the description below. And guys, go ahead and like and subscribe to the video. It really helps us out. Plus, we have more Broken Bow house tours and more videos about what it's like living in Broken Bow. And last, if you want to see what another great North Texas or Southern Oklahoma city is like, check out this video by clicking here.